All-in-one computers are the most advanced version of the desktop computer that offers powerful computing features and requires less space on your desk. With the development in computing technology, these AIO computers are getting more powerful, and the designs of these computers are praiseworthy. Apple, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Asus, and Acer, all famous computer manufacturers, are introducing new models of AI computers with recent upgrades of computing technology. We've selected Dell Inspiron 27 AIO for our subscribers for its sleek design.
Here we go!
First, we'll take a look at the product and specs before we get into customer reviews. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell for more Next Tech reviews. Now let's take a look. The Dell Inspiron 27 AIO is a beautifully designed, stylish and high-power all-in-one computer produced by Dell. It comes with a 27-inch diagonal Infinity Edge display, which generates excellent picture quality with vibrant color. This amazing touchscreen has got an 8mm border only, and you would love this slim display that comes with a studio quality sound generating speaker. There is standard quality IR pop-up webcam on display. You can push it down to keep your privacy when it's not in use. Dell Inspiron 27 AIO comes with a powerful 10th generation 4.9 GHz Intel Core i7-10510U processor. It's ultra fast in processing commands and an excellent machine for multitasking. The powerful processor of the computer is supported by 16GB DDR4 RAM that ensures the computer works fast. 512GB hard drive of the AIO has 7,200 RPM speed, and the solid-state technology provides more than 15 times faster access to storage than regular HDD. This fantastic AIO computer comes with 2GB DDR5 NVIDIA MX110 graphics, which would provide excellent visual support, and you could enjoy a great gaming experience using the computer. It's got Windows 10 installed with all necessary applications. Also, you would love the connectivity features of the Inspiron 27 AIO. It would let you connect all your devices wirelessly. Along with other connectivity features, it comes with Bluetooth 5.0 that would give you high performance in listening to music using your Bluetooth wireless headphones. It's time for us to look into the user reviews and find out what customers are saying about the all-in-one computer. The AIO has got 4.2 stars out of 5 stars from a total of 32 Amazon ratings, which suggests the computer is highly recommended by most of the customers. Here are some comments from verified customers. One person has given 5 stars to the product and said, "Fast, beautiful display, whisper quiet, super simple to set up. I don't do anything fancy with it, but it looks great, sounds great, and is nicely responsive. No regrets on this purchase." Another person has given 5 stars and wrote, "I love it. You can use it with a mouse or touch screen. It really has exceeded my expectations." There are a few dissatisfied customers. Among them, one customer gave 1 star and wrote, "The keyboard is malfunctioning. Sometimes I press a key and I get a dozen characters. Sometimes the backspace key gets stuck." That's all we have on the Dell Inspiron 27 AIO for now. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Still not sure about this gadget? We also have similar product links for you to compare in the description. Don't forget to check us out at nexttechreview.com. Till next time, stay tech savvy. We'll see you then.